guys, so we are in Cape Spear. So it is the oldest surviving lighthouse in Newfoundland and Labrador. So Cape Spear is the easternmost point in North America, and it's the very first sunrise on the continent. So ayan guys, tingnan nyo, pababa kami. Tapos, papunta kami ng tunnel at pakikita natin dyan yung mga big waves, guys. So, ayan, napakaganda talaga yung ambience dyan. Ito yung one of my most favorite place na gusto ko laging mapuntahan kasi napaka-relaxing yung waves niya. So, today, it's a sunny day. So, hindi siya malamig, guys. Kaya, okay lang naman. Nung first time kong pumunta dito, that was around March.
Oh, grabe. Ay, bakit? Maawag ka ba ka na dito? Right.
Guys, nakikita nyo. Ayan yung view. So, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.